These are the most useful Japanese i-adjectives for beginners. Hello minasan konnichiwa, this is Trilingo Japanesesensei. In this video, let's see about the basic i-adjectives for absolute beginners. Let's get started without further wait. Aoi, blue. Akai, red. Akarui, bright. Atatakai, warm. Atarashi, new. Atsui, hot weather. Another meaning of atsui, hot thing, for example, coffee. Third meaning of atsui, thick, thickness. Abunai, dangerous. Amai, sweet. I or yoi, both means good. Isogashi, busy. Itai, painful. Usui, thin or weak. Urusai, noisy. Oishii, delicious. Oi, many. Oki, big. Osoi, late or slow. Omoi, heavy. Omoshiroi, interesting. Karai, spicy. Karui, lightly. Kawaii, cute. Kiroi, yellow. Kitanai, dirty. Kurai, dark. Kuroi, black. Samui, cold weather. Shiroi, white. Skunai, few. Suzushi, cool. For example, cool weather. Semai, narrow. Takai, tall. Another meaning of takai is expensive. 楽しい happy 小さい small 近い near or short つまらない boring 冷たい cold thing for example cold coffee 強い strong or powerful 遠い far ない no nothing 長い long ぬるい lukewarm 早い early 早い another meaning is fast 低い low 広い spacious 太い thick 古い old 欲しい want 細い thin まずい unpleasant 丸い round 短い short 難しい difficult 優しい kind 安い inexpensive 弱い weak 若い young 悪い bad I believe this video is informative and helpful for the beginners. Please subscribe to Trilingo Japanese Sensei channel and enable the bell icon to get the regular updates. Please reach out in the comment section if you have any doubts. Happy learning. 見てくれてありがとう。